Hey guys, I'm Chef Sunflour, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a rosette cake. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you can stay updated on all my new cake tutorials. Okay, so let's get started. The first step you want to do is test out your piping bag just to make sure that you don't have any air bubbles and to make sure that your frosting is stable. We want to have good stable frosting when we're doing this so none of our rosettes slide down. So I'm just here testing out my piping bag on, you can test it out on anything, any non-stick surface. Oh, I ran out of frosting. Okay, you guys, I definitely want to let you guys know that you need a lot of frosting when making a rosette cake. Like, I think I use like 1 to 2 pounds of butter for this, so definitely want to prepare a lot of frosting. So here I have my refrigerated cake. I've let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes, and it's 6-inch 2-layer cake. So since it's 2 layers, I'm gonna make 2 rows of rosettes, and I'm just marking off a halfway point right here at 2 inches so I can make sure all my rosettes stay uniform. I'm just going to push my ruler in and spin my cake board around, and this will simply create a nice uniform line. I'm going to start with the first row at the bottom, from the bottom, and you just squeeze out and you make a 360 circle. Well, kind of like a lowercase e. Think of it like that. And you start the next one where you left off, and you circle around, overlapping them, and making your e. And you just continue this process, not going above your line that you marked off, and overlapping it with the past rosette. So for your last rosette, you just want to squeeze it out and make sure it's meeting up with the other 2 rosettes. If you got to make it bigger, do what you got to do. When starting your second row, you want to stagger it from the bottom row. So you want to push it in between 2 bottom rosettes. Hope that makes sense, you guys. So you start it in between the bottom 2 roses, you push it out, and you circle it around. I didn't start this rosette where my last one ended, and it left me a lot of space. So just be sure to keep on starting off where you last ended. And I'm just gonna finish this off. Once again, I'm taking my time, and you want to go a little bit over the edge, but not a lot, just a little bit. See how my roses are just a little bit over the edge, like a little peekaboo. Okay, so now I'm doing the top. I'm sorry I missed out on my first rosette, but you guys just start somewhere on the edge, and then you just do a circle again, and you make it meet out the rosettes at the end of the board. Just make it all connect, just like that. Just push out and oops around. Watch out for air bubbles, you guys. they will mess up the whole cake. Push out and around. Okay, now for the middle, all you have to do is just one big rosette in the middle and you are done. Now if you have any holes you couldn't fill in, just put a little piping star there like I'm doing. Simple. Just cover it up really quick. It just blends all in together. No big deal. So alright you guys, we are done. This is the cake. I hope you like it. My client requested a crown on her cake, so I got a gold crown for her and I will be adding gold sprinkles. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is me finishing off the cake. If you want to see any more of my cakes, go on my Instagram at Chef Sunflour. Thank you guys for tuning in, and thank you also for my 1K. I forgot to mention that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.